Today I'll show you how to fix the Apple Fitness app not working on your iPhone. First things first, check that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. You'll want to make sure that Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on. Make sure you have sufficient data coverage and that your Wi-Fi doesn't have any issues. If possible, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Apple Fitness relies on Bluetooth to connect to certain devices and gather data, so make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now let's dive into the settings. Open Settings and go to Privacy and Security. From here, scroll down and find Motion and Fitness. Make sure that fitness tracking is turned on and also toggle on Health to ensure data sync. If you're still experiencing issues, the next thing to check is if the fitness app needs an update. Go to the App Store, type in Fitness, and update the app if needed. You can also try updating your iPhone. Go to Settings again, search for Update, and update if needed. If the app is just freezing or not loading, try force closing the app and reopening it. Sometimes deleting and reinstalling the fitness app can help with persistent crashing issues.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.